Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can reset the PrivacyWall search engine to its default settings or factory settings really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now guys, if you have, for example, made a lot of changes in the PrivacyWall settings, it is possible to reset PrivacyWall to its factory settings. It is super simple guys. What you want to do is simply click on that gear icon in the top right corner, and here where it says all settings at the bottom of that menu here on the right hand side, simply click on it, and after that you will be given access to the advanced search settings. So what you want to do here guys is go through the settings or simply click on reset settings here at the top, confirm by clicking on that reset button if you're 100% sure to do this, and that is going to reset your entire settings here on PrivacyWall to its default or factory settings so that you can start all over with fresh new factory settings. And that's basically it guys, that's how I do it. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.